Yo, I have a mole going ham in my backyard. Look at this. Y'all ever seen this? Look at these tunnels.
We're finishing the roof. We have a cabinet. We have all the trim work. We bought a heater because, you know, the temperature's dropping. We got it all. So we did a little moving around. We moved the fridge here, and actually moving the fridge here allowed it to be flush up against and fit nicely underneath the roof.
Today, my dad finished almost the whole bunk beds. So right now, he's covering the bottom, the ladder, and here's where I'm gonna sleep.
that's pretty much it for this video, guys. It's kind of all over the place. There was a lot of little pieces getting taken care of this week. Obviously, a lot of stuff moving back into the bus. Lots of stuff happening, lots of painting, lots of touch-ups as well. If you guys like the content, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you say hi in the comments section. Stick with us, guys. It's getting exciting. A lot of stuff's filling in. It's looking good. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys next time.